little rain. Welcome to Collins Lake. Set up here at the lake. Rainy days. Huh? Got the awning for the wind though. Just stay under here. Nice and dry. Wait out the rain. Up here at Collins Lake. Spot 288. Moonshade for the wind. It was pounding rain for about an hour and a half. But without a bunch of wind, I mean, the moonshade stayed good with two big, two little suction cups. Shout out to Moonshade. I mean, this is how I pretty much pack up. You know, I brought the emergency generator just in case I needed the big Jenny, but everything should run good without it this weekend. Got the fridge freezer running off the Jackery, so this keeps everything nice and cold. Got the Coleman stove, cook dinner. Definitely needed the table this time to, couldn't have unpacked nothing out there. It was pretty nasty, so kind of being able to sit here, keep everything on the table I needed to out of the rain was pretty nice. But it's not supposed to rain into tonight, and tomorrow's supposed to be nice, so we'll see what we get. Packed up in here, I brought the diesel heater just in case, so if I need it. Keep the ducting up there in the ceiling. Got the fishing pole. So, yeah, looks like it's staying pretty dry. Be nice and warm tonight. Kind of a quick little look at the gear in the rain. Shout out to Moonshade for not just giving me shade, but keeping me dry. Happy camping.